Hey Beardsters, how's it going? And we've actually got a new type of video on the channel today. So today I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing, I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I'm kind of doing it so I don't have to edit a huge amount, so it might go on a little while. But we've got two brands here, and I'm gonna start off with the first package that I have received. These are all beard oils, so I think they're just beard oils that we've received. And we're just gonna start off with this one. And it's by a brand called Twisted Moustache. Very new brand based in the UK. I've already opened it up to make it a bit easier to do on camera. So yeah, presented very nicely. We've got the Twisted Moustache sticker, which, you know, always helps. I think it's probably one of the best marketing tools any brand can actually use. We've got a nice business card with a nice little message from Anil and Annabelle, who are the brand owners of Twisted Moustache. I reached out to them. I've chatted to Anil when he was starting up his brand. We had a brief chat back then. So that's always very nice. So we've got all this lovely packaging that I'm just gonna get out of the way. And inside we've got a few different beard oils. And I think this is all the beard oils that they currently have on offer. So there's 3 beard oils in total. We've got the English Gen. And the English Gen is a patchouli, pine needle and bergamot oil. We've got the Handlebar Joker, which is cedarwood, ylang ylang and grapefruit. And then we have the Chevron Fellow, or the Chevron Fellow, however you want to say it, which is sweet orange, cedarwood and cardamom. So every single one of these oils has a wood base note, which should be quite pleasant, to be honest, because wood scents are a really solid scent to go for. So, and I'm going to start off with just giving the English Gen a quick sniff, just to see if I can pick out all these notes. You can definitely get the pine needle, which smells very, I always feel like it smells a bit like a cleaner, you know, like a cleaning product. It's very clean and fresh smelling. It almost reminds me of like a car air freshener, which by all means is not a bad thing whatsoever. I can get a whiff of the bergamot as well. And there's definitely another scent. It's not as strong as what I would normally expect patchouli to be. Like, it can be a very strong scent, but that's not necessarily a bad thing, because I mean, if you get patchouli wrong, it can smell like old stale BO and sweat. Like, it can smell like a bit like onions, and it's not the greatest smell to have on your face. You don't want to smell of old sweat. So yeah, the English Gen, it smells fairly pleasant. Obviously I'll give it a good wear and use, and then give you a specific review on every single product. So this is just kind of giving the overview of each of the products, just to let you know what they smell like, just my first impression. So let's try the Handlebar Joker and get a little sense of what that smells like as well. So this is the ylang ylang grapefruit and cedarwood one, just opening that up. Hopefully this bit will come away, there we go. Ooh, I like the smell of that one a lot. You can definitely get the ylang ylang. I can definitely smell the cedarwood. I'm not getting too much of the grapefruit. I always struggle a bit with grapefruit in terms of picking it up. Like, so each of our noses is very subjective, and in the business of scents, like, there's a job title called a nose, and that nose can actually pull out every scent. And my nose isn't as strong as any, like, by any standard, so I can't always pull out every scent from a bottle like this. Oh no, I can smell it now. Yeah, so that one smells quite sweet actually. The cedarwood, ylang ylang grapefruit, the Handlebar Joker is quite a sweet one, whereas the English Gen was quite a sort of clean, I'd almost say cosmetic type it would smell really nice in like a really clean facility, but that's not a bad thing by any means. So we've got the Chevron fella here, which is sweet orange, cedarwood, and cardamom. So cardamon's an interesting scent to go with. Like, I haven't used a single oil ever with cardamom in, so this would be really interesting to sniff. Oh yeah, that smells like it could be a nice Christmassy scent. Like if you got that in your stocking, you'd be pretty happy to smell that Christmas Day in your beard. So we've got another brand that sent us some stuff, and it's called Perfect Beard. And I'm just trying to open this out without getting my address on camera. Cool, so let's go for, see what we've got in here. And I think it's just a single beard oil in this one. So we've got a nice sticker there, Perfect Beard. We've got a nice, yeah, cool business card. Like it looks quite nice. There's some stuff on it. I don't know what that is. Probably some balm or glue or something. And then we've got it in a plastic bag. Try and get it out with one hand, which is always fun. Beard oil number 62. So number 62, I just wanted to quickly say all the beard oils that we're trying out here, they're all 30ml beard oils. And this one says it's inspired by 1 million. So I'm assuming that the 1 million is the Paco Rabanne, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, scent, which is an aftershave. So I'm guessing this one is fragrance oil based. It says this aromatic blend has top notes of grapefruit, blood orange and rose, spiced with cinnamon and mint. Mingling with soft white woods are patchouli, amber and leather, creating this masculine fragrance. And this is made in Britain, you know, not tested on animals. And it's it's fragrance oil based, this one. So I actually haven't used too many fragrance oil based products really ever. And it looks like, yeah, this could be a good one. So I'm just gonna get some scent out of this one. That's real nice. It just smells like a really high-end aftershave in a bottle of beard oil. And I mean, like, you would wear that out on a night out, you'd wear it to work, and no one would know that you're wearing a beard oil. They would think that in whatever you're wearing, it's just an aftershave based product, and it hasn't got any of the nasties that aftershave has. It hasn't got all the alcohol and horrible stuff. It's just the fragrance, and I think that's going to be a really long lasting fragrance. That's the difference between fragrance and essential oils. The essential oils don't last as long as the fragrance based oils because they're natural, they diffuse over time. You're typically left with just the base notes, and the base notes are very pleasant. So I imagine with the Twisted Moustache ones, after maybe a few minutes, after 10, after an hour or so, I'll just get a sense of like the pine needles, and then in the other two sort of cedarwood, and I'll get that initial fragrance from the citrus and floral based oils. With the Perfect Beard one, I'll probably smell it, I don't know, all day. We'll have to see. So they're the 4 beard oils I've got at the moment. I'm currently gonna, well, I'm just gonna start reviewing the Perfect Beard one first of all, and then I'll review that in a video like this, and then we'll move on to the Twisted Moustache. And whilst I'm getting more and more stuff in, we'll be doing a few extra bits like this. And yeah, we'll just go with it and see how good they are. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and let me know if you like seeing the unboxing type videos, if there's anything I can do a little bit differently. I've never kind of done an unboxing video, but we'll see you very soon. Alright guys, goodbye.